London's glorious Jubilee season ends, and its last event is the Royal Garden Party at Buckingham Palace. And for this final royal occasion, Jubilee weather still holds. The magnificent gardens of the palace, a little unfamiliar to the public at large and covering 40 acres in the heart of London, make a splendid setting for this most regal and yet democratic function. For the King and Queen move freely and graciously among their guests, picking out a delighted individual here and there to greet and engage in conversation. The Queen presents a radiant picture of majestic loveliness in her dress of cream lace over rose pink, while the King, raising his grey hat with royal courtesy, obviously enjoys the weather, the company, and the occasion. Everybody wants to find the little princesses, and here is Princess Elizabeth with her mother, the Duchess of York. The Duchess of York in white with a large white hat makes her usual charming impression, and the whole atmosphere is of that happy informality characteristic of the royal family.